The 2018 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, cruise control, floor mats, center armrest, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.